Yes guys, welcome to a comparison between two internet service providers in Australia, and we are comparing Telstra versus Optus, and each offering a range of services and packages to meet the diverse needs of customers, and we compare them on a few factors and give you a clear conclusion at the end. Well, welcome to my channel. If I helped you, please give a subscription, and that would help me very much. Then now we go to the coverage and availability. Telstra is known for its extensive coverage across Australia, especially in remote and rural areas. Optus offers a widespread coverage in urban and suburban areas, but may have limited reach in remote regions. Speed and performance, very important. Telstra offers high-speed internet options, including NBN plans with consistent performance. Optus provides competitive speed and reliable performance, although it may vary depending on the location and plan you choose. Well, the third one is customer service. Telstra is generally praised for its customer service quality, offering multiple support channels and a dedicated assistance. Optus, while it has improved over the years, some customers have reported mixed experience with Optus customer service. Well, the fourth one is price and value for money. Telstra often perceived as more expensive than some competitors, but it offers a comprehensive package with added perks such as entertainment bundles. Optus generally offers competitive pricing and various bundled services like TV streaming platforms, providing good value for money. Well, the additional features. Telstra provides additional features like Telstra Air, which allows customers to access Wi-Fi hotspots across the country. Optus offers perks such as unmetered streaming and select content and international roaming packages. Well, then the reliability. Telstra is known for its robust network infrastructure, offering reliable internet connectivity. And Opus generally reliable, but occasional network congestion may affect performance during peak hours. Well, then now, comprehensive conclusion, and then we come to an end of this video. Both Telstra and Optus are reputable internet service providers in your country, Australia, each with its strengths and weaknesses. Telstra excels in coverage, reliability, and comprehensive packages, albeit at a slightly higher price point. Optus, on the other hand, offers a competitive pricing, good value for money, and attractive bundled services. Ultimately, the choice between Telstra and Optus will depend on individual preferences such as budget, location, desired internet speed, and additional features. It's recommended to compare plans and consider factors like coverage, customer service quality, and any specific requirements before making a decision about these two internet providers. Well, people, we come to an end of this video, and again, hope I helped you, and if I helped you, please give a subscription to my channel and like this video, and I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you, have a great day, bye bye.